Okay, now not this one, baby. This one. This is the camera it goes on. You see? Oh, yes. You remember how the light did? Do you remember? There you go. That's right. No, don't hit it. Don't hit Mimi's camera. Don't hit Mimi's camera, okay? We have to be gentle with Mimi's camera. See how smart he is? Okay. Okay. You want to give Mimi some love? Grayson, will you give Mimi some love? Here he is. We'll give Mimi some love. Will you give Mimi some love? Grayson, you give Mimi some love. Okay? And his little t-shirt says, "Saving the world before bedtime." Is that what you're doing, Grayson? Are you saving the world? Come here and give Mimi some love. Mimi needs some love, Grayson. Grayson, come here, give Mimi love. Grayson, where you going? Grayson? Grayson! Where's my Grayson gone? Let's see if Mimi can find Grayson. Where's Grayson? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Uh-oh. We've had an accident.